Hello everyone, welcome to another weekend video. Here's Thiago Duarte, the Chief Strategist at Duarte Investment Group. And today guys, I want to talk to you about gold. Okay, I want to talk about commodities, which last week we saw the market has having a bit of a hit during few days of the week, and I think it's great for us to check those market out and see what we can expect in the next few days or weeks ahead. Okay guys, before I continue, here's the disclaimer. Keep in mind that everything I tell you today is not a recommendation. It's for educational purpose. Okay, it's my own opinion, my own view of the market, my own chart. So keep that in mind. You probably know the risk of financial markets, so just trade the money you can afford to lose. Know the risk of the market. Learn before you trade the market, and hopefully, if you work with a very tight risk management, you can do very well. Okay guys, so let's go to the chart here, and here's gold. Okay, gold is here. This is the weekly chart, and looks like we have been a channel here on gold. Okay, which it's nice to see, which gives us an extra guidance for and a better idea of the market, where the direction can be. And we came here to the middle of the channel here on gold, and then we reversed pretty hard here, and we are back very close to those last lows we had, which is about 1071. Okay, and I want you guys to keep an attention with this 1006 level. Okay, because as looking the past here, we have seen the market reject, having rejected in this level for 3 times before. Then we got a breakout here. Okay, as you probably see here, and then when we broke, the market just went higher and did his own thing. Okay, so if I see gold here doing new lows, okay, in the coming days or weeks, probably this 1006 will be the level I'll be watching very closely. Okay, because it will be also in the bottom of the channel. Okay, so there are two things we're gonna have to watch here: channel bottom and resistance, X resistance, now support level at 1006. So keep an eye on gold. Let's look oil, which was another market had a bit of a wick. And looking here the weekly, straight away we can see how bearish this market is. It's not getting any better, and when it does, it's very short term. And then every time we have a move down, it's much bigger than the move we had up. Okay, which means that the sellers continue to keep controlling this market here. And going to the daily here, putting a fib from this low here to this high, we see that we are at the 786 right now. Okay, well, of course we went a little bit lower, which is normal, but we are there finding some kind of support in this area. But if you ask me if I think this will hold, will probably not. Okay, we'll hold for the short term as it's doing right now, but I think oil can continue going lower. Okay, which is also my opinion on gold. I think all gold will continue to go lower. Okay, especially guys, especially with Fed decision coming next month. Okay, with the market now extremely trusting the Fed to raise rates. If that happens, guys, we can see the dollar having a very strong move to the upside. Okay, and with that in mind, gold, of course, as a correlation between dollar and gold, the gold will go down. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's why I'm not looking to buy, because if we look oil, if we look gold, maybe on the daily here, we are at support, right? So this is a good area to buy because the risk is very small. The risk is just here, below the lows, and take profit. You should put about 1120. Okay, so it's a really good risk reward. But we have the fundamental, we have the catalyst to break this market to a jump? I don't think so. I don't really think so. Of course, gold can jump here. He can if he wants to. You know, he can do anything here and do like that and then continue going lower. But I don't want to play. I don't want to play any upside on gold because I think it's dangerous. It's risky. Okay, it doesn't worth it. The risk. All right. We can look also copper, which also had, you know, break it was in a triangle here, and we finally broke the trend to go lower now. And going to the weekly here, we can see that you know, it's very close to kind of support here. I want to see the reaction, this trend line here connecting to lows here. I want to see the reaction on copper here too. So we can see that all indices had a bit of a hit this week. So very interesting there. Now let's look at the dollar pretty fast here, and dollar is still looking bullish. Okay, even with this red candle here, I don't think this is a game changer in my opinion. We are a kind of, you know, resistance here. If you look, we have a channel, okay, which is these two lines here are all equal, because I put it here on this low, you know, connected to this low here, so we can see that, you know, connected to this high, we came here and we are stopping here. Okay, but we also have support where we are right now, okay, at the moment, which is about this zone here, which we have this low here, and is a kind of X resistance down support level. Okay, and even if we come lower to maybe 97.76, I think is another place for you to have some longs in play. Okay, guys, so keep that in mind. And let's look at euro dollar pretty quickly here. Euro dollar, it's a support at the 786 here, as you probably see, from this high to this low here, connecting here. Okay, and we have the 786 here, but you know, I really believe this market probably is in a flag or channel, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and if we see this low breaking, then guys, you have to look for 105 level. Okay, keep that in mind, guys. Okay, keep an eye on commodities, dollar index, and the euro on the coming week. Okay, before I go, here again, it's my contacts information. Add me on Twitter, and if you have any questions or anything, you can always send me an email. Okay, guys, having a great week, enjoying your weekends, and be ready for next week. Thank you very much, and take care.